Come test drive the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.